So you want to know how you can make 100 subscribers easily? Well, it's easy. Just follow my steps. Change to desktop version. Now write a topic and see the top searches for that topic. You can change the location, time, categories, and searching engine. Now you can see all the trending searches on YouTube in the last 7 days from the whole world. Now you can make a video and you can easily explode at getting views and subscribers. So start using Google Trendspeed for making a video. And if you are using this right, you can make 100 subscribers in less than a month.